Good day, sir. It's me again, Mark Fuentes, and in this another video presentation, I'm going to pronounce the 24 remaining consonant sounds under voice and unvoiced sounds. And same with my vowel presentation, I'm going also to cite and give some examples of words after I pronounce the consonant letters. So let's begin with voice sound. So let's start with B. B, b bat. Next, d, d dat. Next, g, k, got. Next, j, j, gym. Next, l, l, let. Next, male. Next, nail. Next, r, r, root. Next, v, v, vine. Next, wet. Next is them. Next, casual. Next is judge. Next is sing. So those are the examples of consonant sounds under voiced category. So now let's move on to unvoiced category and also with its examples. So let's start with F. Fine. Next, hot. Next, cat. So next, pot. Next, sweet. Next, tail. Next is think. Next, church. Next, short. So those are the example of consonant sounds under unvoiced category. And it also concludes as the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.